Ayo, what's up mga tutubi? Welcome back to another portrait vlog! Haha! Amazing! For today's video, we're going to visit a new place here in South Cotabato na first time din naming mapupuntahan ni Budoy. So, I'll bring you there. Let's go come together! Tara! Since wala kaming dalang food, we can bring foods for no corkage fee. Pero at this moment, we're going back to Sentro ng Tupi para bumili ng foods. Let me share to you facts about El Omalufo. So El Omalufo is Tupi's #1 premier campground and swimming resort just few minutes away from the highway inside Barangay Pulonaling. So day-tour entrance is 100 pesos per person, campsites are 200 pesos, and campsites with covered cottage is 500 pesos. El Omalufo has plenty of amenities, which includes some of the following that I will mention. Spring-fed mineral water swimming pool, CR bathrooms, cooking and grilling area, sink and cleaning area, pwede rin mag-fishing at a market price per kilo, power plugs and charge areas, fire pit, and naka-mention talaga na no corkage fee sila mga auntie-uncle. So you can bring your own food, walang corkage. Kahit ano kadami yung food mo, wala ring corkage. Ayan. Also available for rent ang kanilang mga tents, kubo homes, and car and van camping spaces are limited and available. Kaya kung plan nyo mag-overnight sa kanila, you can reserve your spot now at their Facebook page and you can also text them on their contact number. Kaya sa mga susunod na clips na to, I'm going to share it to you kung ano yung experience namin doon and the view. The view is according to my phone. Kung ano lang nakikita ng phone ko, yun yung view. Pero actually, doon kami umupo sa medyo last portion na ng area para at least mas makita yung yung place. Ayan. Ayan na. Let's start touring. Ayan na pala. Let's go. Enjoy the views, guys. So, I will stop talking na. Bye. See you later. dito, oh. Ikaw. Ikaw. Ay, wow. Cute. Saan yung isda?
Hindi. Crocodile.
Crocodile Park pa naman.
Ay, yan.
Dire ta.
Dire ka?
Ikaw.
Saan? Doon tao pero hindi ka maligo dire.
Dire. Adiro lang.
Gas na lagi.
Welcome sa farm ni Sidi. Good. Ito ka.
Bugat ka no. Bugat no. Tagano mo pa ko.
Ikaw daw, basta ko.
So, that's it for today. Yun lang naman yung experience namin the whole day. Actually, nagtambay lang talaga kami kasi maaga pa kaming natapos, or ako, maaga pang natapos yung activity ko sa office. Kaya napag-isipan namin gumala muna to somewhere na hindi pa namin napuntahan. And here it is, L.O. Malufo, located at Extension 11, Pulunmaling, Tupi, South Cotabato. So, thank you for watching. Prayers and peace. Bye!